What's up, YouTube? I'm back. So, got the bed off last episode. I took that piece off a little big O before I started, just because it would have taken too long, I guess. I don't know. So, I took this off earlier before I started the video, just because it would have taken too long for me to grind literally the one bolt off that wouldn't come undone because they're all rusted. Imagine that. But today I'm gonna sand this part, sandpaper. I'm sanding this part, and then I got paint on the floor that I'll paint the areas I sanded. That way it doesn't get rusty. So let's get started. I can't believe it's working. I have you sitting on my floor jack because I have a little Velcro piece on it, and you're in the Velcro piece sitting on the handle, which is hilarious. But got my sander. Let me move this out of the way. That's better. So I got my sander. There we go. I don't know why it wasn't working. I think that's gonna work. I think it's gonna stay. That way you can see me sand, even though you probably won't be able to hear me. But I'll overlay some music for you guys, so it's not too terribly annoying to hear that for probably who knows how long. Yeah, and it's gonna be super loud. So, that's better. All right, let's get to sand. I had to give up on the pneumatic palm sander, I guess. I have to use this thing, which is going to be even louder because I don't know if it was the grit of sandpaper I got or if it's just that thing just is not very good. It won't get all this like thicker dust off. So I'm gonna use this thing. It's gonna be really loud, so I'm probably gonna mute the audio and play music because it's gonna be too loud for. Yeah, you don't want to hear that for 20 minutes, if it makes it 20 minutes. There we go. You know what's crazy? Sorry, I know I said I was gonna sand this. They got curious because that sanding pad I have, I guess, on my grinder was like really getting at this, which is okay, but I don't want to tear at it too much because I don't know how thin or how weak this little piece of metal is. I don't want to accidentally go through it because I got to fix it. But I was like, oh man, maybe I'll just go ahead and do a little bit of the frame just because I'm curious how bad it is underneath some of the surface rust. It already has some like protective coating on it that I didn't do. So it might end up being in better shape than I initially thought it was going to be, at least back here. I know up front there's some spots, but like, it's not bad. Not bad, really. And then I think primer. I'll leave that there so it doesn't rust. Shouldn't. Let's just see. Let's see what happens. Yeah, you see how it flakes like that? I'm gonna fix that. It's gonna take a long time. But it's okay. Because this is gonna take a long time. So I'm gonna put you back in my sand and I'm gonna go back to sanding. Made a mess. It's like really dirty. Right down here. It all came from that little tiny strip. That's gonna take forever if I use that. But I might have to because the little sander ain't working very well. Which is just awesome. I love it. I love it. But I mean, it's making it somewhat smooth. But luckily, it's the underside, so I'm not too worried about it. But if I can get like a good halfway mark, like here all the way down, here all the way up, and all the way down. Even though I really wanted to know what that said, I really don't care at the moment. It's gonna take me forever. Or I just take it out and get a new one, but I don't want to do that either. So, might stop recording for now and then come back when this looks like all that. Hopefully. So we'll see. I'm back. So, might end up being done because sorry. Camera's covered in dust. Give me a sec. I'm back. Sorry. My wife called me. But I got pretty far. Probably already said that. But I got this far before I have to get a new pad for that. Because that one's getting kind of low and I don't want to get too low to where I can't get the thing off or it scratches it up, but it doesn't matter. But yeah, I might see if I can't get a sandblaster to like get a sandblaster to hopefully get all this crud, like all that stuff off faster than sitting here with a grinder, because that's going to take me forever. And I'd rather it be quick and easy than long and painful. So that's what I'm going to look up once this video is uploaded to see if I can't rent a sandblaster. Because that way, that could get done super quick. And then all I'd have to do is like take the fenders off, both sides, the steps, and set those out somewhere over there. And then spray it with sand. And then that way it can get painted so it doesn't rust. Because it's starting to a little bit. But that's okay. I'm going to fix it. So I'm going to put you on my little custom stand so I can paint. Sorry, making sure I don't get paint on my camera. from overspray. Done. Hit that just in case. I don't think there's any other places that show bare. If there are, touch them up. That way, stops a little bit of rust. Stops a little bit of the rust that is been present for who knows how long. Because, ew, Brody, fix it. And then I need to come in here like I'm going in another room on the other side of the bed. This is where I grinded it. My grinder, like here, there, and I'm just gonna patch some of the holes up just because it's kind of gross. Yay! Look, piece of wood. There we go. Makes it look a little bit better. Oh, that's still wet. Note to self: don't spray bed liners, undercoating, and then sand or grind, because then you get a bunch of crap in it. But that's fixable. Spraying useless stuff at the moment. Just keep it somewhat protected. Wah! Yeah, that looks better. So before I end the video, I made a very bad to-do list because my handwriting looks really bad. But it's a to-do list that I can think of at the moment. I might end up adding more stuff to it, but this is everything I can think of without going in like uber detail about everything. So I got a list. I call it the list. So I got clean the bed, take fenders off, paint fender, paint the bed, take the steps off, which are those things, paint the steps, rebuild the rear end, paint the rear end, redo brake system because I do not like this. So I'm gonna see if I can't just get a smaller line that go from there to there, run it up somewhere over there, and then have it tee off and have it boom, up, down, and up. We'll see. So I redo brake system, clean the frame, big important one right here. In order parts. These two, really important. Gonna redo the wiring, take the engine out, and fix some of the leaks on the engine, and then paint the engine back. Redoing the wiring, just to give a little context to that to-do. Like, I cut everything because I might end up getting new taillights. One of these is cracked. So I'm gonna see if we can get LED ones. LED ones would be pretty lit. But I'm gonna run wire connectors with a little Yeah, like the wire connectors you plug in. There we go. That way, if I ever have to take this off or take the bed off again, I can just undo it instead of cutting wires. That way it looks a little bit nicer. Hopefully it works. Yeah, sooner or later this is going